Hello guys, welcome to the second part of student data, means student data adding in database. Okay, so in last session we have seen how to create this. Okay, that I have shown you by using this in web.php by calling and creating student file that we have done in last session. Okay, I hope you have done that. So next we'll see how we can see, suppose if I add anything here, it should add in database. Now whether it will add, we'll check. It will give some error or it will not add. See, for not found means create it is not found here. Okay, so what we'll do for that, first we'll create one controller. Okay, so controller, where will it be? It will be in app http controller. Here we'll create one file. See, directly if you come here in controller, click here and just click here. Okay, and type here student, then controller.php, enter. So here student controller file is created. Now what I will do, I will take all the details from that file and I'll put here. Okay, now I'll copy that here, so I'll paste here. See, this is our student controller. So here also we need to write student controller, both should be same. Okay, student controller. Then I'll finish here off one bracket. Okay, so it is done. Okay, here see, in this student controller you need to import this, that is app http controller. Where it is in app http controllers. Okay, then request we need to import, then db we are using directly here database, so we need to import this db also here we need to use, then request, and here controller, that is path app http controller and controllers. Okay, then here it is what student controller extends controller. Okay, that is the function name. Okay, then here I have taken function name, that is insert form, and view is what, student. Okay, means whenever we'll go in insert form, what it will view student. Okay, then one more function I have written here, that is insert, means whatever the data I am inserting, that will get in database. So for that, what we need to do, see here it is first name, last name, city. This I am taking from this here input. See here there is a name, that is first name, last name, city name, email. This variable only we need to take here. Okay, because it will fetch data, and it will give to this first name, last name, city, and email. Okay, before this, what you need to do, before this you need to create a database, because without database it will not work only, right? So you need to go in localhost. Okay, you need to come here, and here you need to create one database. You already have created, that is student underscore details. My table name is student underscore details. Okay, then here it is id, first name, last name, city, name, email. Same I have taken here. See here, same as first name, last name, city, and email. This is the database name, and this is the input. Okay, whatever we have taken that, or this is a variable we can say, and here it is a database name. This is the database name, our database name. Okay, I have given this and this same only. You can give here different also, no problem, but this should be same whatever we have given you, that it should be here. You can change this, no issue. Okay, then do one thing, create this data table. Okay, after creating, you come here, and we need to, whatever the value we are getting, that we need to assign to this table name, column name, then last column name, city name, email. Okay, so whatever we'll get here, that we are giving to this, we are assigning. Then we are writing here one query, that is db query, db table name is whatever, that is student underscore table. Okay, our table name is student underscore table, so I have taken here student underscore table. Then insert data, so whatever data I am getting here, that I am inserting in student table. So if the data is inserted, what it need to show, it will show the record inserted successfully. Okay, so this is our controller. Now we need to call this controller, right? Controller is created, but whether it will work, no, without calling it will not work. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll call that now. Okay, now here we'll call that is route colon get into bracket. What we're doing, we're adding, right? So add comma. See here we need to import the controller, right? So for that, use app HTTP controllers. This one is here, I think, right? Okay, here there is a controller name, that is student controller. So I'll take here student controllers. Okay, then I'll take this controller name here, then at I will call the function. What is our function name? That is insert form. So I will call here insert form. Okay, it is giving error. Okay, now error gone, right? Add means it will view the file. Okay, so what I will write here, view, it's better, right, to understand. Okay, view means this is, see here we are just viewing this file, student file. See here, view means here we need to take the file name, that is student. Okay, then what I will do, I will go here and I will write here view. It will give what it will give, that will see. See, it is showing 4 not found, right? It is not finding this because our file name is what? Student data. It is student. I have taken earlier file, student data. Okay, now view. It will take some time. See, it is telling like target class student controller does not exist. Suppose if I are getting this here, already I have done one video also for this. If you are getting this error, what you need to do, that I'll tell you now. For that one line we need to add, that is we need to go in providers, root service provider, then after the home, if you add this file, that is app HTTP controller, it will add there. Okay, now suppose if you run this, we'll see we are getting this, right? So if you're facing that issue, you can solve by using that one, by using that this. Okay, you just add this line in root service provided, which is in providers and root service provider, HTTP providers. Okay, it will be there. So this is running. Now we have done view. Now we need to insert. Okay, so for insert we are using this insert function, so that also we need to call here. So I'll copy this, paste here. So inserting means we need to take here post, then only it will get, because post we need to use while inserting in database. Okay, and here we'll take like insert, or we'll take here like create, because we are creating here, right? And our function name is what? Insert. So I'll type here what? Insert. Student controller at insert. Okay, now we'll check this. I'll run. Welcome email sonu@gmail.com. Submit. See, it is given error database is Laravel, right? Because we have not taken here right database. Okay, so for that, what is our database name? student_detail, right? So I'll copy this. Sorry, not this is database. No, our database name is student. So I'll go here in .env. Here you need to change the database name, that is student. Okay, I have changed here student. Now we'll run and see. Before this, and one more you need to do. Okay, See, in student blade here, this is our view file. So here you need to add this URL create. Okay, what is this create? See, I have taken here create. That create only I am taking here. Okay, so you need to remember that what I have taken there. So what it will do, it will create. Again it is telling unknown database student, it is telling unknown. We'll check why, because it is students. Okay, I have taken student and it is students it is. Okay, now we'll run, we'll check. See, a record inserted successfully. Yes, it is done. You can see here in controller, here it is where echo we are printing, that is record inserted successfully. Now we'll check the record. So we'll go here, last is our Sunita Patel, welcome. Okay, this is now, I'll check. See, it is shown. What I will do, I will delete all the things. Okay, now we'll see. See, nothing is there now. What I will do, I will add once again. So at gmail.com. Okay, submit. See, record inserted successfully. We'll check here. See, here it is added, that is Sunita Patel, welcome. Okay, it is taking 10 ID because already I have deleted some, so by default it is taking 10. Okay, so I think you got this. So it is inserted now, right? Successfully inserted. But now what I want, after inserting, I want to show that all the details here in this front page. Okay, that we'll see in third part of this. Okay, so till this you do, you create database, you add this and see the output whether it is adding here. Okay, then in this video, if you have any doubt or queries, please comment in comment box. We'll answer to that. And if you are liking our videos, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone.